So, in order to have my resubmission for the CapSense assignment, I know you had to use polymorph for this assignment. That was one of the requirements, as well as some other things that included touch. But currently, in the state of things, I don't have polymorph anymore, and I have no way to get polymorph currently. So what I wanted to do for this assignment, I'm just going to show what I can through Tinkercad, as well as what I had through my diegetic prototype. So for the diegetic prototype, I pretty much made this sort of magazine article talking about screen printing. I'm currently in a screen printing program at ASU, and so something that I found often with my screen printing is that the more pressure or the right amount of pressure oftentimes gave me more even color, even coats, allowing for less times to pass through new color. So what I wanted to do, as you can see from the diegetic prototype, was adding LEDs, and then like depending on how the amount of pressure that you put on it, it would light up as soon as you had the right amount of pressure. And through Tinkercad, they don't have a pressure sensor, and so I had to go ahead and use a potentiometer to just kind of show what I was thinking. And so here's my code, pretty much just for the LEDs and the potentiometer. So let's go ahead. And so currently the potentiometer is from 0 to, I believe, 1,000, a little more than 1,000. So I wanted to set the potentiometer to where the LEDs would go off to about a halfway point. Just that way, realistically, if you were to be screen printing, you wouldn't want to put so little amount of pressure, but you wouldn't want to put too much, just for the risk of maybe damaging your screen, moving some of the print around, moving the screen around. But yeah, so as you can see, my idea was, no, not enough pressure, not enough pressure, not enough pressure. All right, you're perfect. You're at the perfect point. And now you have the perfect print and even pressure everywhere.